In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify BingX account. Start by opening your browser and searching for BingX. In the results, click the official link titled Cryptocurrency Exchange Vertical Bar, Crypto Social Trading Platform Vertical Bar BingX. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up button in the top area and click it. Enter your email and a strong, unique password, then hit sign up. If you're prompted with any confirmation or verification email, complete that and you'll be brought back to the BingX homepage. Next, head to the top right corner and click or hover over the profile icon. From the menu, choose Identity Verification. On the verification page, press Verify Now, then continue to start the process. You'll be asked whether you want to continue on this device or continue on your phone. Choose whichever gives you the best camera quality and lighting. Phone cameras often work well here. Follow the on-screen prompts and click the highlighted button when it appears to move forward. You'll be asked to select the country where your identification document was issued and the type of document you'll use, such as a passport or a national ID card. Make your selection and proceed. Now you'll capture your documents. Take clear, well-lit photos of the front and back of your ID. Avoid glare and make sure all text is legible. You'll also take a selfie holding the same ID. Keep your face centered, remove hats or glasses, and match the angle shown on screen. Submit the photos and follow any final prompts until you see that the submission is complete. Approval for advanced verification typically takes between 2 and 10 minutes. You can stay on the page or check back shortly. You'll see a confirmation once it's approved. After you're verified, return to the BingX homepage. Click Assets at the top to view your wallets, then choose Futures Account. Under that, select USD's MPERP. If you see an option to apply for VST, click it. VST is a practice balance used for simulation, helpful for getting familiar without risking real funds. From there, go to the Derivatives section to access trading interfaces and select USD's MPERP futures. You'll land on the Perpetual Futures page. Click the highlighted area to open a trading pair, for example the BTC USDT pair, and you'll see the order panel, price chart, and positions area. Even if you're just exploring, this confirms your account is verified and fully functional for futures access. That's it. You searched BingX, signed up, completed identity verification with clear document photos, waited for approval, and navigated to assets and derivatives, including USD's M perpetuals and the VST application. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to use your verified BingX account with confidence.